Hello and welcome back to the Banjo Family Fun Channel. My name's CharBanjo.
And I'm JoeBanjo.
And today we're going to be opening these Disney Mystery Minis from Chip 'n Dale's Rescue Rangers, Talespin, and DuckTales.
There's a full box of them, or a full case of them. So how many are there, Charlotte?
12.
There's 12 of them. So let's show you a close-up of it.
They're also by Funko.
Yeah, there's the front of the box. And here's the back of the box with all the ones you can collect.
They're from Disney. This is the case.
Mm-hmm.
Other side. Front. And we also have this little sign that came with the box.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to start opening for you. And is there any special one that you want, Charlotte?
These are all the ones you can collect, by the way, if CharBanjo showed you. I want this girl from the DuckTales.
Mm-hmm.
Or like maybe these three.
Mm-hmm.
So like the kids from the DuckTales.
Okay, so let's start opening. So Charlotte, why don't you start? Do you need some scissors?
Snip, snip time. Cut through. Let's see who we got. We got the plastic off together. It's in a blind mystery box. Black bag. Let's see who we get. We got this guy from Chip 'n Dale's Rescue Rangers. I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Chip 'n Dale. I think that's Chip from Chip 'n Dale.
Hi, I'm Chip. Today we're going to be solving a mystery.
Okay, so I'm going to open one right now.
It's Banjo's turn.
Nope.
We each can open 6 because there's 12. Banjo got it open. Banjo, let's see who you get.
Who am I going to get? There's the bag.
Let's open it.
Oh,
We got 2.
we got a double there.
Oh no, is that Dale?
Nope, the same one. Because he's wearing the same outfit.
Look at the back. Oh yeah, because there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
At the bottom.
let's open up the next one, Charlotte.
This is my
Or
next
CharBanjo.
one. Banjo, who do you want?
Who do I want? I like Darkwing Duck.
Darkwing Duck?
Mm-hmm. Don't hurt yourself.
I know. I try to get
I
like.
think you can get the. There's
Yeah,
a little.
I think I got it. There. It's time for unraveling time. Cute sticker.
I hope we're not going to get another one.
Triplets. Hopefully not. Triplets.
3 of them. Wow.
Triplets.
Okay, I'm going to start on the next
What
one.
if we got 12 of the same one?
Well, that would really be really bad. Hopefully we don't.
Let's see if we can get 4. Fine. Let's see if we can get a different one too. 4 would be amazing though.
Yeah.
This would be like the chip box, the chip case. Okay, let's see if we get a different one.
Here's the bag. And we get
A different one.
Darkwing Duck.
That's the one my JoeBanjo wanted to get.
That's the one I wanted. Let's open it here. Okay.
I got him to stand up.
Okay, let's go. Let's open the next one.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I got it. This one's easy to open. Oh, Darkwing Duck's one. Da, 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 da. Let's see who we get. We got the magical bag. Let's see what we get. I think I see Scrooge. Or what's his name again?
Scrooge McDuck.
Yeah, Scrooge McDuck.
Yes, there he is. That's another one that I really like.
Scrooge McDuck.
Let's show him up to the camera. There he is, Scrooge McDuck. Okay, let me go and grab the next one for you. Let's see. The bag. And we get
a different one.
There's I don't know what his name is. He's the little
It doesn't tell you.
bear. I think he's from Talespin. So I never really got into Talespin.
Let's open it. So now we are on the last row. I'll open this one. Okay, let's unravel it and open it. Okay, so we're opening the box now. And let's see what we get. Let's hope we don't get another chip.
Mm-hmm.
Let's hope we get a different character. I want the kids from DuckTales.
Oh, we got
Dale.
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 Let's hold him up really quick. There he is. There's Dale. And we'll put him next to one of the...
The only ones I watched were Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. And I watched a movie for that one. And I also watched
Open another box.
a little bit of DuckTales. Right, JoeBanjo?
Mm-hmm.
What have you watched?
I've seen DuckTales. I wasn't really into Talespin. But I did watch Darkwing Duck. Here's the box.
Did you like, which one was your favorite so far?
So far?
Mm-hmm.
Either Scrooge or Darkwing. Box open. And there's the bag.
And let's open it.
We open it up. And we get another one. Another Dale.
Hopefully not triplets.
Put him back up next to the other guy.
This one is an easy one to open. Some of them are easy, some of them are... So now we're gonna open this part. And we are going to see what's in the book bag. We can feel it a little. We got one of the kids from DuckTales!
Cool.
Which one's this one?
I don't know. They're Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And I don't know which one the green is.
Let's try to see if we can get the last ones in the last three of the DuckTales in the last three boxes. Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Ah! We also fell in.
Box open.
This one has to lay down. It can't stand.
Get the bag out.
Let's see what we get. Hopefully someone from DuckTales.
And we get the girl from Talespin.
Can I see? Ooh. I just put it up, but that one couldn't stand up. I got this one because it's kind of easy to open. Oh my goodness, I just opened it magically. With the wrapper still on. See who we got. I'm gonna try to open my last one like this. Okay, can't open it. Don't have the strength. Let's see who we get. DuckTales, DuckTales. DuckTale.
Yeah.
Which one's this one, Banjo?
I forgot his name. I should have looked him up. But okay, you want to open the last one, Charlotte?
Yeah.
CharBanjo?
Yep. So we're going to open the plastic. Okay, now we're going to open the last one. And it's in the black bag like usual, like all the other ones. Let's see. DuckTales! DuckTales!
Yes, the little girl, I think, from DuckTales.
DuckTales! So overall, we've got this little girl from DuckTales.
Mm-hmm.
This is pilot looking one from DuckTales. We also got this Scrooge McDuck from DuckTales.
Mm-hmm. Let me hold them up really quick.
We also
Okay, we got
got
one of those
one
guys.
from
Not sure who it is. We got Chip and Dale. There's Chip.
And Dale.
And we got, again, like CharBanjo said, we got Scrooge McDuck.
And the pilot.
Pilot.
The little girl from DuckTales.
And my favorite, Darkwing Duck.
We also got this guy from Talespin. And we got the girl from Talespin too.
Mm-hmm.
That's all we got for you guys.
Actually, she's from Chip and Dale. I just saw the photo on the side. Shows her as Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers.
Wow. Okay, so we only got one from
We only got one from Talespin. Three from Chip and Dale, and then the rest are from DuckTales, except for Darkwing.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. We got like 5 from DuckTales.
So what was your favorite, CharBanjo?
Mine was probably either this one, this one, this one, and this one, because they're all from DuckTales.
Okay. I think my favorites are either Darkwing Duck.
I also like these ones because
Scrooge McDuck.
I also like these ones because they're from Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers, and that's the only ones I know.
Well,
that's all we got for you today.
Yes. Thank you for watching the video.
Please like, subscribe, and keep on following for more. Hit the thumbs up button and turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye.